Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today, myself and my toddler are going to be playing with this little Play-Doh set, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about it while he plays. Let me get it put together real fast, and then we can play with it, and I'll tell you some more about it.
Hi, my name is Edo. It's Playdough.
So you get 2 containers of red Play-Doh, you get 2 yellow, then you get a brown, white, green, and blue. It's a really nice texture. Very moldable, nice and soft. And then it comes with these 2 banana split looking bowls. You get the 2 little ice cream scoop cups here. And then you get these 2 waffle cone looking bowls as well. And there's 2 red spoons, as well as this little like shaping and scooping tool and some little shapes. So the little accessory pieces here, the orange and red, they just slide in at the bottom of the ice cream maker and allow you to make different shapes. So you can slide it onto the one that you want, and it's going to make the Play-Doh come out in different patterns. And then you've also got some little shapes that you can create on the base, as well as a little waffle maker over here. This is such a cute little set. I can see my son wanting to play with this frequently. He loves Play-Doh and like modeling clays, and he loves to mix the colors and get creative. So if you're looking for a gift for your child or for someone else, I think this is an awesome option. I would definitely give this a try. How much money do I owe you?
$3.
Okay, here you go. 1, 2, 3.